Manufacturing in the industrial automation era is all about the rhythm of electronics. Every instrument plays a significant role regardless of its size, be it a simple circuit or a complex drive. All is good until every instrument works together in an industrial cadence. Then suddenly, a part shows no sign of life and the production line becomes dreary. You ship the defective component to the manufacturer hoping they'll fix it soon. But it takes time and the clock begins to tick. Your downtime eats into your productivity and most importantly, your profit. But what if you have someone who can get you out of this mess? What if that someone can get your electronics back in sync and get you up and running in no time? And what if that someone is right next to you? Meet Synchronics, industrial electronics repair experts. Experts who understand the electronic symphony like no one else. With years of credible experience, their technical experts analyze the root cause of the breakdown. The technicians know the art of troubleshooting electronics at the chip level. They take a close look, feel the pulse, and bring it back to life. Technicians who undergo knowledge upgrade sessions from time to time to keep up with the latest industry know-how. The top-of-the-line testing equipment facilitate weeding out problems from the most complex boards and instruments. Each instrument goes through a fast and systematic repair process because they know the clock is when an instrument enters the facility, it is assigned with a unique job ID and mailed to you. High-resolution photographs are taken, instrument is logged into the system and added to the repair queue based on priority. Data backups are carried out wherever possible and repairs are logged at every stage for complete traceability. Plus, root cause analysis reports can be furnished upon request. Adopting the most scientific ways, the team utilizes methods like reverse engineering to carve out the instrument's schematics. This helps technicians to repair the instrument swiftly and accurately. Following strict service protocols allows the team to make sure OEM parts are serviced with extreme care. Once the repair is done, rigorous tests are performed, and the job moves across various test stations from load test simulation to specially designed test jigs. A specially designed hydraulic power pack allows us to conduct static and high-pressure testing on various valves. A rich database of schematics, a reservoir of component data sheets, and a massive electronic components inventory enables faster and more efficient repairs. After nearly 3 decades of experience and thousands of top OEMs repairs, Synchronics has been able to win the trust of customers across a wide spectrum of industries. A seamless process for repairs from receipt to packing and doorstep safe delivery gets your instruments back in shape on the floor. Fast. Really fast. Have any post-delivery concerns? Avail proactive technical support on the phone and video call. From small to complex repairs, only Synchronics gets that. Time is money.